Hello.
Hi there.
Welcome to yet another day of Vlogmas. This will be day 15. So who wants to start? Do you want to start this time?
Yeah. Today I am doing the Mario one.
Yep.
So day 15 in the middle there.
There's a little one. Oh. These are very difficult to get out, so you might have to bear with us.
And we're back. Right. Yeah, the one-up mushroom.
Yep. We had a mushroom before, I can't remember.
We had
it was the growing, wasn't it?
Yeah, we had the red mushroom before. As well designed as the actual figures are, the box is so badly designed though, trying to get these out. Having to open the box, pop it out, gouge them out with scissors, everything.
Yeah, cutting them and all sorts.
Yeah. So we've scratched a little bit of him, but the quality of the actual figures themselves are great though.
It's okay for the characters, but it's all these little bits, so you really kind of, like, they're really moulded in. Hey ho.
There we go, that's that one.
So I've got the Funko, mini Funkos. I'm not going to say that it's numerical again, because I say that every time, but here we go. 15.
Just said it.
And let's see who we've got this time. Chip! Not Christmassy, but it's definitely a Chip. You always tell who Chip is because he's got a chocolate chip nose.
So my next one here is the Disney Game and Advent Calendar one.
Game and puzzle.
Yeah, I'm never going to get that right. And 15th is down here.
Oh, no. So 2 cardboard bits.
So we've got 2 parts of the puzzle board.
What's a Christmas tree?
And a game piece. Thank you very much, Glamorous Assistant.
Not so glamorous.
Yeah. Christmas tree piece.
Yep.
We'll find out what it's used for at the end of the month.
Might just be decoration.
Yeah. So that's that one done.
And finally for the 15th we've got the ducky one. I was going to say advent calendar one, but they're all advent. 15, 14, 15. Here we go. Who have we got? Ah, it's a little reindeer one.
Little reindeer ears on.
Little reindeer. He's so cute.
Some of the colours run on the side of it slightly, but
Oh yeah, I know.
that's okay.
Yeah, it's squishy ducks. Great. Well, I hope you enjoyed this one and follow along for more.